I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start with basic checks to isolate the problem and save time. Check Bluetooth connections on your iPhone or Mac and forget the device. Reconnect and test audio with another app like Music or YouTube. Inspect the physical ear cup and cable for debris, corrosion, or loose parts. Toggle noise control and transparency modes to see if software affects one side. Finally, fully charge both headphones to 100% for 2 hours and retest. Restart your source device after a repair step to clear software glitches. Perform a soft reset by holding digital crown and noise control buttons for 15 seconds. Release when LED flashes amber and then white, indicating the reset completed. If the problem persists, reset the AirPods Max to factory settings using Settings. On iPhone, go to Bluetooth, tap the info icon, and choose Forget this device. Then hold the controls again to enter pairing mode and reconnect for testing. Update firmware by keeping AirPods Max near the paired device during charging for hours. Remove and reseat the ear cushion by pulling the magnetic rim gently for 5 seconds. Inspect the Lightning to 3.5 mm adapter and cable for frays or broken pins. Swap sides by connecting the cable to the working cup and test for sound. Check internal contacts, remove the cushion, and use a soft brush for 30 seconds. If audio still fails, battery or driver failure may require Apple repair or part replacement. Estimate service costs around $9 to $79, depending on warranty and damage extent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.